Linians. This is Teacher Ruth, and today we are going to discuss the topic Basic Computer Operation and the Computer System. This video tutorial is based from your learning activity sheets in Programming Quarter 1 Week 2. So bring out your learning activity sheet. For this session, our learning targets is Apply Basic of Java language. Before the lessons, let's have some warm-up questions. The first question is, what is the main circuit board of your computer? Timer starts now. What do you think is the answer? Correct! It's motherboard. The second question is, just tell whether the image below is input device or output device. Timer starts now. Correct. Input device. This is computer system. It's a collection of entities, hardware, software, and library that are designed to receive, process, manage, and present information in a meaningful format. And these are the input devices. It's a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as a computer or information appliance. And we call these output devices. It's any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into human-readable form. This is the central processing unit, or we call it CPU. It's the electronic circuitry within a computer that executes instructions that make up a computer program. There are three units of CPU: control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and memory unit. So look at the diagram. Control unit directs different parts of the computer to carry out instructions. It controls communication and coordination between input and output devices. Arithmetic logic unit performs all arithmetical calculations such as addition and multiplication and makes a logical decision. Memory unit stores data and instructions to process data. This is RAM. It's one of the most important components in all devices, from PCs to smartphones to games console. This is hard disk drive. It's an electromechanical data storage device that uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital data. This is motherboard. It's the main printed circuit board found in computers and other expandable systems. Now let's enumerate the basic parts of motherboard: the processor socket, the memory, IDE, south bridge or the CMOS battery, BIOS, SATA, PCI slots, AGP, and north bridge. Now let us have some recap. What is computer system? It's a collection of entities, hardware, software, and library that are designed to receive, process, manage, and present information in a meaningful format. What are the parts of motherboard? BIOS, CMOS battery, IDE and STA connectors, power connectors, CPU or the processor socket, PCI slots, memory, AGP, and north bridge and south bridge. At this point, turn your activity sheet to enrichment part. Reminder, do not write anything on this activity sheet. Write your answer on a separate long bond paper. For enrichment activity 1, identify if the given device is either an input or output device. Write ID if you think it's an input device, otherwise write OD. For enrichment activity 2, identify as many parts of the given motherboard as you can. For enrichment activity 3, use drawing and or words. Explain the relationship of hard disk drive, CPU, and RAM in relation with the processing and instruction. For enrichment activity 4, explain the given figure below with regards to computer system. The input, process, then output. For wrap-up activity, please answer the question. What is or the relevance of the concepts of computer system to computer programming? I hope you learned something today. If you have questions or clarifications regarding the topic we discussed, feel free to contact your subject tutor through text, call, or post your questions in your official Facebook group or page. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.